Let's do some experimental physics. So when you take sugar and put it in coke, it explodes. Now there are two theories for this. Theory 1, it's a chemical reaction between sugar and coke. Or theory 2, it's a physical reaction between the physical structure of sugar and the CO2 present in coke. So which is it? Chemical reaction or physical reaction? Let's see. So if theory 1 is true, then our coke should react similarly with sugar solution, as it has similar chemical properties as a sugar but different physical properties. Let's see. And as we can see, the reactions are not same, meaning theory 1 is not true. It's not a chemical reaction. Now if theory 2 is true, then our coke should react similarly with salt because it has same physical properties as sugar but different chemical properties. Let's see. And as you can see, it explodes, meaning theory 2 is true. It is a physical reaction. And this was a small attempt to show you the world of experimental physics, where physicists design experiments to prove or disprove popular theories in science.
Really? That's it? Well, that doesn't sound so complicated.
It's not. That's why Leonard does it.
Sugar.